Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled among rolling hills and golden wheat fields, there lived a wise farmer named Thomas. Thomas was known far and wide for his bountiful crops and thriving farm. But what truly set him apart was his unwavering dedication to his family and the values he instilled in his sons. Thomas had 3 sons, Adam, Ben, and Charlie. Each son possessed unique qualities and skills, but it was their unity and hard work that truly made them a force to be reckoned with. From a young age, Thomas taught his sons the importance of working together, respecting each other's strengths, and always supporting one another through thick and thin. One summer, a terrible drought struck the village, threatening to destroy the crops and livelihood of the farmers. As the scorching sun beat down relentlessly, Thomas gathered his sons together and shared with them a plan to save their farm. He explained that they would need to work tirelessly, using every ounce of their strength and determination to overcome the challenges ahead. Adam, the eldest son, was a skilled farmer who knew the land like the back of his hand. Ben, the middle son, was a natural leader with a gift for inspiring others. And Charlie, the youngest son, had a keen eye for detail and a knack for finding innovative solutions to problems. Together, they formed a formidable team, each bringing their own unique strengths to the table. Day and night, the farmer and his sons toiled in the fields, tending to the crops with care and precision. They dug irrigation channels, carried water from the nearby river, and prayed for rain to come and nourish their parched land. Through blistering heat and bone-chilling nights, they never wavered in their resolve to save their farm and provide for their family. As the weeks passed, their hard work began to pay off. The first signs of green sprouts appeared in the fields, a promising sign that their efforts were not in vain. And then, as if in answer to their prayers, the skies opened up and rain poured down upon the thirsty earth, bringing new life and hope to the village. The crops flourished, the farm thrived, and the farmer and his sons stood united, stronger and closer than ever before. They had weathered the storm together, guided by the wisdom of their elders and fueled by their unwavering belief in each other. And so, the farmer and his sons learned a valuable lesson that unity and hard work, guided by the teachings of their elders, could lead them to success in the face of any adversity. And as they looked out upon their flourishing farm, they knew that as long as they stood together, they could overcome any challenge that came their way.